Good evening, everybody, and welcome. It's great to see so many familiar faces, and I'd like to welcome all of you here this evening. I'd like to introduce my two special guests. We have another special guest coming on at half-time. On my right-hand side, all the way from Japan, would you put your hands together, please, and welcome Junji Shiro. We're about to make Junji an honorary Clare citizen. We're working on it. From my own part of the world, from County Clare, and was no stranger to audiences all over the West Coast and indeed all over the world, would you welcome, please, from County Clare, Martin Smith.
This, of course, we're very special guest, but he's the host, and this is Garol O'Halloran. And if you can't pronounce that complicated long Irish name that you have to see, O'Halloran will have to do. But he's Garol, so there you go.
Well, we're going to go back to, we're going to stay in County Clare as much as we can this evening. And we're going to start off with a piece of music that was collected in County Clare in 1906 by the famous collector of music from Chicago, Captain Francis O'Neill. He came to see us in 1906, and we're still talking about him. Martin was in short pants in those days. So the first tune is called The Maids of Feegle. It will be followed by The Old Copper Plate, and we'll finish up with the Kilmaley.